Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Caesar pasta salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have about 8 ounces of pasta and 12 ounces of cooked chicken. Next, prepare your dressing and vegetables, aiming for a crisp texture. Finally, combine all components for a delightful meal that serves 4 to 6 people. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a lovely potluck contribution, offering a fantastic blend of creamy and savory flavors. To begin, select about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta shape. Rotini or pen work wonderfully. You'll also need 12 ounces of cooked chicken, which can be grilled, roasted, or rotisserie chicken, shredded or diced. For the signature Caesar flavor, have 1 cup of your favorite Caesar dressing ready, along with 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget 2 cups of crisp chopped romaine lettuce, 1/4 cup of crunchy croutons, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley for a vibrant finish. Start by cooking your 8 ounces of pasta in salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Then drain and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. While the pasta cools, prepare your 12 ounces of chicken by dicing or shredding it into consistent, manageable pieces. Next, wash and chop 2 cups of fresh romaine lettuce, making sure it's completely dry to prevent a watery salad. Finally, grate 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Now for the exciting part, assembly. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled pasta, the prepared 12 ounces of chicken, and the crisp 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce. Next, pour 1 cup of your delicious Caesar dressing over these ingredients, tossing gently until everything is evenly coated. Finally, sprinkle in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of crunchy croutons, giving it one last gentle toss. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, and serve this delightful salad immediately for optimal flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.